Hey, it's Letabo, and welcome to Letabo Where You At. So, today's adventure, we are getting a stamp on our brand new passport for the first time. This is a last minute trip. It was not planned. I think I planned it 2 weeks ago, and that's as much planning as I could do. But I'm ready. It's a birthday trip. So, this is part one of the journey. We're gonna be right now. I'm heading to Joburg to go catch the bus. So stay tuned and follow us on our. How long is the bus drive? I don't even know how long the bus ride is. I think it's 10 hours. Yeah. We just made the bus. Oh, Pusa. Can we just make the bus? When you're running on a very low budget, but you want a stamp on your passport, book a bus to Maputo. Because I can't afford Terminal A yet, but for my 29th birthday, I wanted a stamp on my passport. So guys, yeah, that's where I'm going. I'm heading to Maputo. This part of the vlog is just gonna be me going there. Hopefully I'll remember to document everything because I'm very bad at that. But I'm so excited. Everyone falls. Oops, I fell too deep. Oops, I think you got me. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but number plate the ring. Okay, number plate the MP. So remove Malang. Okay. Malani. I don't even know where we are. But say I know feet. Bigay mo na makwa. Just I want to bora jwang. Just stop what I want. An hour after our first stop, we arrived at the border control. On the South African side, we got the departure stamps. We are officially in Maputo. Just got my first stamp. Oh, eh. It's humid. No one told us that we had to walk to enter into Maputo. So this is us walking into Maputo, and we didn't know we had to get entry stamps to enter Maputo from the border control on that side. But we got our stamps and got back on the bus. Our bus then arrived an hour early at our bus stops. This is us waiting for the sun to come out. And then after, we decided to walk to our hostel, which was 6 minutes away. We stayed at the base backpackers. So we asked for early check-in, and this is me showing you how the hostel looked like from the outside. This hostel gave a very quiet and friendly vibe. The staff was very helpful and nice, even though there was a language barrier. And like I said earlier, it's a walking distance from the bus stop. That was the reception area, and this is our double room. We booked a private double room. The bed was big enough for me and my friend. We got a TV, we had a desk, and the windows had mosquito nets on it to prevent mosquitoes, as Mozambique is known as a malaria area. Our bed was very stable, strong, because we were big girls, so we fit perfectly in this double bed. It also provided us with mosquito nets to hang over our beds when we sleep. So when you walk in from reception, the first room you'll see is the bathroom, which had 2 showers, and there's another bathroom next door. It also has a shower and a toilet. That was mostly for the private room that we booked, and they have sinks. It had a nice sink, showers, everything was clean and neat. This is the toilet. It gave you a little bit of privacy, you know, just in case somebody was like showering and you needed to use the bathroom. It had privacy. That was the first dorm, this was the second dorm, and we stayed in the double room. I think the dorms had up to 6 people inside, and this is the chilling area or the lounge area where people can come sit, work, eat, socialize. I met a woman in here that told me that she's been traveling Africa on a bike. Can you believe it? On a bike. The windows here also have a mosquito net. And then when you go this side, there's a kitchen. The kitchen had a microwave, had a stove, had a toaster. They had pots and plates if in case you wanted to cook, or if you ordered food out, you can store it in this fridge. And no one would take your food, so if you're worried about leaving your food in the fridge, no one touches your food in the hostel. And then when you walk outside, we have an outside area with a little bar. You can order drinks. They have coffee, tea, and the Mozambican beer, and a fantastic view. It's 9 o'clock in Maputo. We arrived. We checked into a hostel. They allowed us early check-in. We're getting breakfast, and then we're gonna go back and shower and take a nap. Right now we are at Campo das Acacias.
Hands up high, till I feel the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you.
So it's currently quarter past 4. We fell asleep around. Oh my God, we fell asleep. Fell asleep around 12. It's been very hard to wake up. This is day 1. Right now we're gonna go get Day 1 in Maputo is very slow because I'm honestly exhausted. I was just happy to get here. Then I got my stamp, and I think I'm low-key trying to figure out what I'm gonna do because I'm really broke, and that's kind of stressing me out because everything here seems to cost an arm and a leg. But yeah, right now we're gonna head out and try to find some food at a grocery store, or just go for dinner and some drinks. For that, come and chill at the hostel. I'm currently at a Korean restaurant. We ordered not Korean food, but we ordered some Korean fried chicken and some chow mein. I didn't say we ordered chow mein as well. Today I've just been sleeping. Hey, so suddenly go to Kaya with something. Hopefully pula ahini. And then before it gets into our own walking tour. So tomorrow we're gonna do touristy stuff. And then hopefully on Thursday it doesn't rain for my birthday. And then we are going on a boat cruise to go see the 3 islands. We are just baddies on a budget, and it's hard out here, but we try. So I'm on go like Grease. She thought I would kiss her ass. She must ain't took a mess. Shit around my nigga, cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life. I let him give me pre. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left her to the game, but shit is not a joke. Say she's got a problem. Imaginary smoke. The brother is like the hardest chopsticks. We are trying Korean fried chicken. I mean, I don't know. Maybe when they expect it to taste exciting. Clearly, I've tried everything. Someone tries everything. I'm not mama. Plain. Sorry. I'm trying to get it. And I grab this heavy to show you why. Mara, I don't have to. Ready to dance. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left her to the